In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight column differences with conditional formatting in Excel. Open Excel on your computer, then open the workbook you want to compare. Once the sheet is visible, go to the data range and click cell B2. This is the first value in the first column you want to compare. Now hold Shift, and while holding it, click cell C9, which is the bottom right cell of the two-column range. That selects both columns from row 2 down through row 9. The header row stays out of the selection, so only the values are included. Next, go up to the ribbon and click the Home tab. In the Styles group near the middle of the ribbon, click Conditional Formatting. A drop-down menu opens. From that list, click New Rule. This opens the New Formatting Rule dialog, which is where you create the comparison logic. In the list of rule types, click Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. This is the last option in the list. When you select it, a formula box appears under the line that says Format Values where this formula is true. Click inside that formula box, then type equals $B2, not equal to $C2. As you enter it, make sure the dollar signs are placed before the column letters only. That keeps column B and column C fixed, while the row number is allowed to change as Excel checks each row in the selected range. Now click the Format button at the bottom right of the dialog. In the Format Cells window, click the Fill tab. Choose a bright color from the palette so the differences are easy to see. After selecting the color, click OK to close the Format Cells window. Back in the New Formatting Rule dialog, the preview area now shows the fill color you picked. Click OK one more time to apply the rule. Excel immediately checks the selected rows and highlights every row where the value in column B does not match the value in column C. The color appears across both columns in that selected range, and any rows where the two values match remain uncolored. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, your comparison range clearly shows which rows are different. In the sample data, 4 rows are highlighted, while the 4 matching rows stay plain, so you can scan the list and spot the changes right away.